Welcome to Shorthand for WordPress, where you can create and publish immersive, editorial-grade stories without leaving WordPress. Click the Stories menu, then Add Story to start creating, just like creating a post in WordPress. You can begin with a blank story, or choose one of our pre-built templates. This is the Shorthand editor, where you'll design beautifully engaging feature articles, reports, and interactive stories. You can change text, add media, and design your layout. On the side panel, you can add more sections. Click this plus button to see a range of section types. They'll play a big part in how your story will look and flow. Choose the format that's right for you. Text sections are a great choice for your body text, while grid sections let you arrange cards and content into beautiful, structured layouts. You can also use chart sections to turn your data into animated bar, line, or pie charts. No embeds needed. For collections of images or videos that can be expanded into a slideshow, check out the Media Gallery. Want to add some movement and magic? Try Scrollmation, Reveal, or Scroll Points. They turn your images and videos into scrolling animations. No custom code or fancy design tools needed. Once you've added a section, you can play around with layouts, reposition your text, and adjust column widths. For text over media and title sections, you can select from full-width media, half-width media, and text-only layouts, as well as set different section heights. You'll see your story quickly come alive. Changes will be saved automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. In the Shorthand editor, all text is edited and styled in text boxes like this. Images and videos, which we call media, can be added and adjusted in the side panel like this. You can also use Shorthand's AI Creative Companion to speed up common editing tasks. For example, update the font color across every section with a single prompt, instead of changing each one manually. Or upload your media and tell the Creative Companion about your vision for it, and it will select the right section type for you, without you needing to be an expert user. As you can see, creating content with Shorthand is quick and easy. Once you're done editing, click Finish Editing. At any point, you can preview your story from the WordPress dashboard and then publish to send your story live. If your workspace doesn't yet have a publishing plan, you'll be guided through the next steps. And that's it. We can't wait to see what you create. For more in-depth training and tutorials, visit our YouTube channel.